Hello everyone and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. I did just want to touch on some very important things that have happened this past week. Also very important for Lucid Motors for next week on January 19th, which is a Wednesday. I think you're going to get a lot out of this video before we get down into it and get started. Give me that big thumbs up. Keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Hit all to get my latest videos. Also, please get your free Lucid stock down below as this promotion will not last long. By opening this Moomoo account using my link, depositing $100 will grant you that free Lucid stock right now valued about $40. In addition to this, you will have a potential to get 3 additional free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. Get these free stocks as this promotion is the best on YouTube. Now, without further ado, I did want to talk about the latest EV news. I did just want to do kind of a lightning round and talk about the big companies, big news that just came out. Talking first about the EV US companies, we will be starting with Rivian, ticker symbol RIVN. This stock has had some very bad news this week and last week. The stock has been going down. It is trading around $80, sometimes dipping even less than that. The reason why is because the COO, the Chief Operating Officer, did resign because of some production issues. So that is the latest news that did come out. That did cause a little bit of downward pressure, a little bit of sell-off on Rivian as a company. So we're not quite sure what the details are behind this. We do know that Rivian is having some production issues as they did not meet that goal of productions for 2021. Now, moving forward, we'll definitely have to see how they do. I know that they are burning through a lot of cash, especially trying to get more facilities up and running. In my opinion, I do think that they should be focused on productions of vehicles from the company that they have now, the factory that they have. I believe it is in Georgia. But we'll definitely have to see. This is a new company. It is a new startup. They have a lot of reservations, huge demand for their R1T, the pickup truck 2022 truck of the year by Motor Trend. Also, they do have that SUV, the R1S. Very beautiful vehicles, very high demand. But we also have Amazon that's in the background that is really pushing Rivian to get its electric delivery vans out. They are very insistent on getting this. As you know, that Amazon has just made a new contract with RAM, the ProMaster electric delivery van, that did also bring down some pressure on Rivian as a stock. So right now, definitely could be a nice buying opportunity to Rivian. Could it fall more? It definitely could, because we are having a downward pressure, but we'll see how Q1 earnings report 2022 do. Now, let's talk about another company, very important for Lucid Motors, LCID stock, another U.S. electric vehicle company. This week, next week actually, will be very critical, very important for this stock if you are looking either into getting into this stock or you're looking to average down. We are having that Saudi Arabian Public Investment Fund, the PIF, will be expiring on January 19th, next Wednesday. This could give us some buying opportunities, downward pressure if history repeats itself. The last time we had something very similar was on September 1st, 2021, when we had the PIPE, P-I-P-E, lockup expiration date. Pretty much what happened is this stock went from about $20 all the way to $15 in just a matter of about 3 hours. So huge sell-off in this stock. So something similar definitely could happen this coming Wednesday. Definitely put that on your calendar. Mark that. If you are looking into getting into this stock, getting it below $38 is a steal of a deal, in my opinion, if you hold this stock long-term, as it has great long-term potential. That being said, we'll definitely also have to see what becomes of this stock. In my opinion, it is one of the best stocks to get because Lucid has the best energy efficient vehicle. I do think that energy efficiency will be the game changer, the game winner in the EV market, as we're just in the beginning stages of this. But we do need to get that production scale up for Lucid Group, LCID. So this year, 2022, will be its test. This is going to be huge, critical that they get that mass production done this year. They are also expanding their factory in Arizona to include even more space to get ready for launching their new product, which will be coming out in the year 2023, just next year, which will be the Lucid Gravity. Very nice SUV that will be coming out. And I think that that will also have huge demand. So big things to look forward to for Lucid Group LCID. But again, if you can get this stock under $38, you are getting a steal of a deal. Right now, under $40 is still a good deal if you hold this long term. Now, let's talk about the Chinese EV market, the Chinese companies. Right now, NIO in this past week did announce that it has purchased a headquarters in San Jose, California, in Silicon Valley to have the U.S. headquarters of NIO. Now, that is signaling to me that NIO is looking to expand into the United States. In my opinion, if the NIO Europe expansion does go well, and they create a lot of demand and a lot of money, a lot of revenue, which they definitely can, I definitely think that they will go into the U.S. market in 2023. Now, we have seen and heard a lot of, I guess, bad news or downward pressure also from politicians saying that there's going to be Chinese regulations, Chinese delisting of Chinese companies such as NIO. Well, just most recently, something very, very interesting did come out. There is a senator in the United States that has actually been talking about Chinese regulations, delisting Chinese companies, but in return, they have been purchasing Chinese stocks. Take a look at this. They have been purchasing Alibaba. They were talking about delisting Alibaba from the U.S. stock market, but secretly they are buying a lot of Alibaba stock. So again, just please take all the news that are out there about delisting with a grain of salt. And these are my opinions only, but please do your own due diligence, your own research. But I do believe that NIO is a worldwide player. I do think that they will come to the United States. It's just a matter of when, not if. But once they do, they will have a nice market share. In my opinion, I do believe that. That being said, I did also just want to briefly mention that I did look up the top 15 selling electric vehicles, including SUVs, in China right now. The top 15, most of them were BYD. It is a large Chinese company backed by Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett bought it, I believe, more than 10 years ago. But this company is doing quite well. But they are selling the majority of the vehicles in China as electric vehicles. Tesla did make the top 2 and 3 on the list. No, actually, it was 3 and 4 with the Model Y and the Model 3. XPeng was actually there as their P7 sedan vehicle, and Li Auto actually had 2 vehicles on there. I was quite surprised that NIO did not make the list. But that being said, again, this is a new startup company. They are going international. But one of the things I really like about NIO is its technology, the battery swap technology. Again, in my opinion, I think it is innovative, and I definitely think that it will do good. Now, will consumers think the same way? Nobody knows, and you can always make your own decision, your own judgment. Well, I just did want to give you that recap. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new. In addition to this, I did want to tell you that I am researching some very small cap companies. I do have one on my radar that I will be presenting hopefully this weekend. It is not EV related, but definitely I do think that it could potentially be a nice bump up. It is a penny stock, but again, penny stocks definitely could make some nice increases. So watch out for that video in the coming videos. But anyway, if you like this video, please give me that big thumbs up. Keep me alive on YouTube. Very important that you hit that thumbs up to keep me alive. Also subscribe, share this page with others. And don't forget to get that Lucid stock right now. It's the best promotion. I would like to extend that to you, as this is a great investment. With $100, you get a free Lucid stock. In addition to this, you will get free stocks valued up to $3,500 using that Moomoo link. Also, I do have some very nice promotions down below to Webull, to Crypto.com, and Coinbase. So take advantage of those. But again, thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Have a great weekend. Thank you.